Jama'a assalamu alaikum, barkanmu da sake saduwa a cikin shirin namu na yau. Ni suna na Jovika. Akwai bidiyon da nake son tura maka yanzu na idan kun gama watching dinsa zan yi magana. I want you guys to watch this video. At the end of the video, I will make my comment and reaction. Let's watch it.
We just carry motor gun. Say they are for Sharia court of Kabi Gudu. That they are cheap litigation and children visa has auctioned my shop. I told them that I don't have any case with them. Why should they auction my shop? I built this church in 2012 for our rent. Their phone shop in number. I rent one to somebody. They said the person in the shop, we saw it get credit. I started the person owner. Why can't we provide his goods? That the goods in that shop. They don't think about the goods. They say what they know is they want to open that shop. I said the business should come to the court and tell the people I'm the owner of the shop. I go there. Even though I'm a Christian, I thought why should a Christian go to Sharia court? They say I must stop. If I'm the owner, then they will leave me my shop. I take all the documents to them. Even when I read there, they even see the document. Say they will do investigations. All I see today, they just come here, carry paper come, say that I auction the shop, that they are doing handover. Because I'm a Christian, because I'm Igbo, they collect my shop. Sharia court. Even if they will follow the law, as a Christian, what I have to do with Sharia court? They because what is happening in Nigeria, they carry my case there. Even when I appear, they did not listen to me. They bring the other judge, the judge that wants us and what happened. They remove the judge. Say that in charge of who the moving judge. They remove the judge. They just collected my goods, my shop for nothing. I done nothing. Even if I have case with them, I would have said that with me. But I don't have any case with them. I'm not appeared before their court. I don't know commit anything. They just collected my shop. They say because I am nobody. Nigeria help me, oh. Nigeria help me, oh. My life will finish, oh. EDM help me, oh. They collect my shop because I am a Christian. They show the Sharia court. I'm taking my shop. God help me, oh. 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 They collect my shop just to intimidate me. I have no case with them. If I had a case, I would say that I win me. But I'm not being in their court and do any judge. They just collect my shop just like that. Just intimidation because of that man. I take the case to court. Judge collected the case and the judge said he has scanned the case out because I am nobody. He said I cannot report this fellow court. Judge, that's not judge come out my face. God help me. Woman right come assist me. Woman right assist me. Woman right assist me. Woman right assist me. I love from God. I love from God. I love from God. Where would I take you by the shop? God will not let you take my shop. This is my sweat. This is my sweat. God help me. God help me. God help me. That you come and help people in this community. You know if the person that sits in that shop is the owner of the shop. They do not make any inquiry. I think God to make inquiry before they do something. This court do not make any inquiry. They just go here. Say that I go to newspaper. That I'm taking my shop. Nigeria help me. Nigeria help me. Nigeria help me. God help me. Cheap litigation. Sharia court of Kabi Gudu. Cheap legislature. Sharia court of Kabi Gudu. Cheap judge. Upper area court. They connected the meeting. They connected the meeting. They connected the meeting. Upper area court. Chief judge. Upper area court. They collided and collect my property. God help me. God help me. God help me. Nigeria help me. My life finish. My life finish. My life finish. I do that nothing. I do that nothing. Because I'm a Christian, they take my case to Sharia court. They can't get to Sharia court. Say Sharia court has taken my shop. They did not invite me. 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 God help me. God help me. God help me. God help me. My life finish. My life finish. God help me. God help me.
Ina zaton kun ganshi. Ina maku tambaya ƴan uwanmu daga arewa menene haka? Ai wannan cin asiri ne. Ya aka yi mana a cikin Najeriya kuna amfani da shari'a na addinin Muslim, shari'a na Najeriya. Haba. Ai ina zaton ku ce ɗan wannan Najeriya ne. Wannan shine wannan Najeriya? What am I saying, my brothers from the north? What you're watching is a man who has suffered and stayed in the north for so many years. From nowhere, they say because of the Sharia law that they have confiscated his shop and put the shop for auctioning, asking people to come and buy. They have dispossessed him of his business premises, or he has possessed for more than 23 years. And I want to ask, is this the one Nigeria? You know me, I believe in fairness, justice, and equity. What is good for the geese, let it be also good for the gander. You can't tell me that some of you guys have your businesses in our area. You have your cows in the bush. They graze from our farm. Some of you in the south, you have your businesses. Go to where they call Amawusa. Go to Okigwe. Go to Enugu. You have your base where you do your business. You do your exchange of money. Peru. Those houses, you stay there. You live in peace. Nobody has ever approached you that we have the law of our tradition that you cannot stay there. Why using a Sharia law in one Nigerian country? And some of you, because I discovered that some of you are very happy following my page because I started speaking against what my brothers are doing. Because I don't believe in covering anybody. I am bold to tell them that doing wrong. You can't tell me you are doing agitation and you are buying your own brother. You are taking the life of your own brother. See, the same vein, when because of we are speaking the negative side of my brothers, and you are doing evil to my brother, I want a Nigerian, I will keep quiet. It is wrong. Please, I want you guys to look into this matter. Those of you from the north, address it, because this thing will not lead into what we not expect. This is somebody suffering and pain. Let's live in peace. For now, we are one Nigeria. Tomorrow we don't know what it's going to be. Why can't we please live in peace with each other? I also want to remind you guys, please, some of my friends who maybe we are together speaking against the wickedness of our brothers who are buying our fellow brothers. I maintain, when I raise the issue of the Igbos are being socially, there's a social imbalance, or yes, social imbalance against the Igbo. There is marginalization to a great extent. Some of you disagree with me. This is one of them. If you tell me this is not one of them, tell me what this one means. We have to face the reality. The way they treat Igbo in this country is not fair. That is me. I'm being fair. Then my only pain with my brothers is I can, because of we are not comfortable with the way they are treating us, and you come home, say you want to be violent, and your violence is against your own people. You buy your people, you kid, you take your people and request for money for ransom. It's unacceptable, bro. Let's call evil evil so that evil will run away. So this is inhumanity. We must condemn it, and we must ask the authorities to look into this. When we're able to discover the state where this man come from and nothing is done, well, we will call up the governor. We keep on calling him until justice is done for this, and this man deserves justice. Thank you. God bless. I remain Joe Vika. Angesheku. Semu Hado. Bye-bye.